Samastangu Namaskar. My fellow speaker, who was the chief speaker, Jyotsna Nandaji, Shashwati Dasji, the director of Summa Real Media Private Limited, veterans of the PR industry, Himanshu Babu, Gopal Babu, Sunil Babu, Devendra, Jahaku ame Munna Babu nare janu chu, and the professionals from the PR industry who are present here today. First of all, I commend the efforts of the Summa Real Media, Prameya News 7, for organizing a conclave of this kind, for honoring the PR profession. First of all, recognizing PR officers and PR sector as a profession, which is the reason why all of us are here together. A couple of days ago, when one of the representatives from Summa Real Media met me and invited me for this particular event, so I had no idea what this event is about. Generally, we have a broad idea of what kind of events which organization will have. So I would have thought of it as like an academic event if it was being done by SOA. I would have thought of it as a media event if it was being done by Prameya and News 7. But this appeared to be a little different. So I was a bit confused and I didn't know what to say, whether to say yes or to say no. So I kept it waiting and I said that I'll inform you after some time. Another reason is for people like me, it is very difficult to plan your own schedule. Our schedule is generally dependent on so many other things happening. And today, first I was supposed to be in Delhi. And secondly, when the Delhi program got shifted, I was supposed to be in Epicol. Today is the fourth Saturday, while it is a holiday in government. But in my department, we use fourth Saturday as an intellectual discussion day. So it's like a brainstorming day when we get people together and we select some topic, and on that topic, we discuss something and find out some solutions to some of our existing problems. But I was curious. I was curious about this, that what is this PR day? I had never heard of this PR day. And curiosity is something which actually can take you places. So I am here only because of curiosity. I was curious to know what exactly is this event about. What is it that PR, is there a separate professional called PR profession? And therefore I am here because of this reason. The second reason I am here is because of my relations with News 7 and Prameya Media. So you can understand it in this manner that 99 out of 100 times we are inviting News 7 and Prameya, right? So, and they always respond. They always come at short notice. So I will tell them at 1 p.m. I have this press release to make, please come. And they will immediately come. Tomorrow we have a press conference, please come immediately. Day after tomorrow we have this event coming up, please come. So it is always Hemant Sharma inviting Prameya and News 7. This was the first time that News 7 Pre was inviting Hemant Sharma, so I thought that I must come. And therefore I deferred a lot of my other engagements and thought that let me repay the debt which I have for News 7 and Prameya. This is one of the most respectable, most respected media houses in the state today. It has made a name for itself because of its credibility, because of the integrity. It is very easy for corporate houses or for industrial houses or for business houses to actually enter media. But it is very difficult for media to maintain, first to acquire and then to maintain credibility, and credibility comes only because of integrity and transparency. The way News 7 and Prameya media houses have been run, the credit goes to obviously the promoter, Shri Manoj Ranjan Nayak, and it comes from his personality. He is himself a hard-working person. He is an out-and-out professional. I don't know how many of you know that he is the person. You know him for ITR, you know him for SOA, you know him for some hospital, some ultimate hospital. But I don't know whether you know that the College of Engineering Technology, which today is OUTR, he is the one who contributed to making College of Engineering Technology as the best computer science institution in the state. I don't know whether some of you are aware of this. He is the one who actually set up the Department of Computer Engineering in College of Engineering Technology, which till the other day was only teaching civil engineering, mechanical engineering and electrical engineering. And today, because of what he did 3 decades ago in that small government institution, that institution is rated as one of the best computer engineering colleges in the country. So that's what a single individual, because of the hard work, because of the what you could call long-term vision, can do to an institution. And no wonder that today Summa Real Media, Prameya, News 7, some hospitals, some SOA, ITR, all these institutions have acquired a name, and the state is proud, state of Orissa is proud to have hosted these institutions in our state. I am really very happy to meet Shashwati ji today. I have never met her earlier, and I must compliment this thing. In traditional Indian societies, you will generally find that most of the entrepreneurs are men, and women generally take a back seat. But the fact that she is involved in this work, which is a unique work, is a credit again. And now I know how Manoj Ranjan Babu is successful. You know that behind every successful man, there is a woman, and now I know the secret. How he is able to maintain calm, quiet, peace, poise in his personality, obviously, is because of, and she certainly deserves compliments for this. Now, today's event is about public relations. Recognizing PR as a separate profession, very important. In fact, before I came here, I had not really realized in my mind that actually public relation professionals, what we call PROs, they represent a distinct segment of a professional work. It is pure professional work, which means that you need to be educated. Who becomes a professional and what qualifies to be a profession? Doctors, being a medical profession, doctor is a medical profession. Lawyers are professionals. Administrators like me are a profession. Engineering is a profession. Architectural is a profession. How can public relations be a profession? Public relations can be a profession if it satisfies some of the basic minimum criteria. And the simple and the most basic criteria is that you must first be educated for it. You must first be trained for it. You must have the skill to be a PR professional. If you have that skill, if you are trained for it, if you are educated for it, then you can be considered to become a public relations profession. What Jyotsna ji described here are the attributes, the personality traits, the aptitude to be a good PR professional. But before you have that attitude and aptitude, you must actually be trained for it. You must have the required skills for it. You must have the creative talent. You must have the drafting skills. You must have that kind of skills which will make you a good communicator and a good messenger. PR professionals, to my mind, work as a bridge between an organization on one side and the public on the other side, which means that you need to be a two-way communicator. You first need to get the company communication. What is it that your organization, which you represent as a PR professional, what is it that it wants to bring into the public domain? Not everything which happens in an organization needs to come to the public domain. But not everything needs to be hidden from the public domain. What is it that part of the organization which must come into the public domain is the first knowledge which you need. In what language should this communication happen? In what mode should this communication happen? What medium should be used to make this communication? That is the second test of your professional education. And the third most important, which was brought out by Himanshu Babu, also by Jyotsna ji, is that you first need to be a good human being. When you said that you need to smile, you need to be full of empathy, you should have all the curiosity element, and you should not feel threatened by artificial intelligence is only when you have natural intelligence. If you are naturally intelligent, artificial intelligence will never be able to threaten you. You will actually be able to use it more for your more for amplifying and making your work finer and finer. These are all attributes of a good human being. So a good PR professional, apart from being educated, apart from being skilled, apart from being experienced, must also be a good human being, and that only will enable you to discharge your responsibilities in a professional manner and to the satisfaction of your organization. This word public relations, right, in Odia when you translate it, so you call it Jan Sampark. Public means Jan, obviously, and when you translate relations into Odia, you call it Sampark. But relations in Hindi has two meanings, right? It is not only Sampark, it is also Sambandh. If I were to translate only relation into Hindi, I would not call it Sampark first. I would first call it Sampark. He is related to me or she is related to me. That does not mean that I am in contact with her or him. It would mean that I have sambandh with him. Try to use your public relation, this word relation, less for sampark, more for sambandh. And that is how you will be able to do justice to your job. Be true to your profession, be true to the ethics of your profession, and always think of yourself as a two-way communicator. Don't leave your job only limited to one-way communication from organization to public. Also carry the message from public to the organization, and that is how you will be actually able to do justice to your profession. This is all that I wanted to communicate to you today on this occasion. Once again, I compliment the efforts of Summa Real Media and the people behind organizing this event. Before I part, since I am also the industry secretary and I will never leave occasion without telling something about industrial development, I don't know how many of you know, I have persuaded Summa Real Media so also to set up an industry which is a pharmaceutical industry, and they are the first group in educational sector, private educational sector scheme in the country. They were very reluctant initially, however, since I am also a public relations professional, so I was able to persuade them to enter the business of pharmaceutical manufacturing, and which is something which again goes to the credit of the promoter, Mr. Nayak, and he was able to see logic in it. He was able to also to see business sense in it, and therefore I am really very happy and proud that I have been able to add one business, pharmaceutical business, to the state of Orissa through Summa Real Media. Thank you so much.